Everyone, happy Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce our next assignment. We're going to focus on warm and cool colors in it and geometric shapes and form. I got a short video here where we're going to have a little refresher on what warm and cool colors are. So if I could have your attention to the screen here real quick.
Warm and cool colors. This is the color wheel. The color wheel can be divided into two parts, a warm side and a cool side. What do you think of when you hear the word warm?
All right, what do we think of when we hear the word warm?
Red, orange, yellow.
Red, orange, yellow. How about you, Landon? Yes.
Indeed, red, orange, and yellow are warm colors, and green, blue, and purple are cool colors.
Yep, that's exactly it. And when you think of those colors, you think of some different elements too.
How about a fire?
Like the
Or
fire,
even the sun?
or the sun, or warm.
Yes, those are warm things. What do you think of when you hear the word cool? What about a refreshing glass of water? Or maybe a shady tree? Yes, those are definitely cool things. Let's put them all together. Let's add the color wheel. Did you notice that these items match the colors on the color wheel? The water goes with the blue, and the sun goes with yellow. But what about the fire and the tree? Let's change them around so that they match their colors on the color wheel. That's it. The tree matches the green, and the fire matches the red. Now we can answer, what are warm colors? The warm colors are yellow, orange, and red. What are cool colors? Cool colors are green, blue, and purple. Warm colors appear energetic and vibrant. They can give the feeling of warmth, happiness, and excitement. Cool colors appear soothing and sometimes cold. They can also give the feeling of calm, relaxation, and even sadness. Warm and cool colors can be considered opposites. Take a look at this picture. Then
Okay. Then I wanted to fast forward to some questions here.
with two similar colors, can one be warmer and the other cooler? For example, colors A and B. The answer is yes. Remember, there are many different types of paints and there are even more brands of paints. For example, two different brands of green paint may not be an identical color match. We know that the primary colors are used to mix all other colors, and how much of each primary color is used will determine how warm or cool a color is. Both yellow and red are warm colors, while blue is a cool color. Now let's determine which color is warmer.
So what do you think is warmer, A or B?
A.
Okay. Yep. And what about cooler?
B.
Yeah, B, right? A has more yellow in it, and B has more blue in it.
And which color is cooler? Colors A and B look green and are cool colors on the color wheel. But what happens when they are side by side? Which color is warmer and which is cooler? Color A is closer to yellow on the color wheel, and we know yellow is a warm color. Color B is closer to blue on the color wheel, which is a cool color. There.
All right, so that's kind of a really quick summative of warm and cool colors. You can have a range of hues that are warmer and cooler in the same color wheel. All right, so let's go to the assignment here. It's in Google Classroom. It's called Shattered Geometric. We're going to focus on form, value, shape, and inside of that, there's instructions here. on what I'm going to be grading on for the assignment. I'm going to be grading on color scheme, your understanding of cool and warm colors, the completeness of it, and then the balance and the composition of it as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with a piece of paper, and you're going to create shapes, letters, numbers, hearts. It can be anything, and then you're going to draw lines to it to create more shapes within your letters, and then you're going to rotate between blending cool and warm colors within each shape. And by the time you're done, it should look something like this. And I'll walk around and help you get started. Are there any questions? No? All right. Well, we'll get started on that. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Let's go. Have a great day.